My name is Pablo. I work from the company Ecuador Paragliding, and today we have the pleasure to fly with you. And it looks like very good condition, so we're gonna have a lot of fun in the air.
I'm totally ready.
Okay.
My life is in your hands, you know that, right?
The backpack, very good.
Oh, exercise.
I need.
Then we get to the preparation, and even more preparation. You got the idea. I know guys, I just want to take off, but remember, safety comes first.
More forward. Okay, stop. Okay, good. That's
So he's doing all the preparation work so everyone can be safe. I trust him, he's a cool guy. He's been around for 10 years or more.
All paragliding lessons come with a pilot guide who will take you on an exciting adventure in front of the sea. The guide takes care of all the work, so you just need to enjoy and fulfill your dream of flying. The downside, the flight experience lasts only between 12 to 15 minutes.
Whoa!
now stand up.
Okay.
How was it?
That's can't complain, man. This is like no word to describe it. Now I know how it feels like to be a bird. Now I know why you're addicted to this shit.